Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay! We are Hospitality Management students of the University of the East Manila.
University of the East Mission. Imploring the aid of divine providence, the University of the East dedicates itself to the service of youth, country, and God, and declares adherence to academic freedom, progressive instruction, creative scholarship, goodwill among nations, and constructive educational leadership.
Inspired and sustained by a deep sense of dedication and compelling yearning for relevance, the University of the East hereby declares as its goals and addresses itself to the development of a just, progressive, and human society.
University Education Certificate. As a private non-sectorial institution of higher learning, the University of the East commits itself to producing relevant and affordable quality education, morally applicable and competent leaders in various professions, imbued with a strong sense of service to their fellow and their country.
The College of Arts and Sciences shall endeavor to provide the students with a diversity of learning strategies and opportunities that will promote their intellectual, personal, and social development. Equip them with professional competence, with the level of specialization, so that they may readily be absorbed by the labor market, and provide a dynamic curriculum grounded on the values and tradition of our culture.
As a private non-sectarian institution of higher learning, the University of the East commits itself to producing true, relevant, and affordable quality education, morally upright and competent leaders in various professions, imbued with a strong sense of service to their fellow men and their country.